Hello guys, today I have the Realme 16 Pro 5G and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting. At first, to fix the Bluetooth not connecting in this device, you need to open the settings. Now, what you need to do is to go straight to the Bluetooth. And now, if you have your Bluetooth turned off, like I do, you need to make sure this is turned on by tapping on the option. If you had it enabled, turned on, tap the Bluetooth and disable this. You need to just restart the connection. Now, it's enabled. Once you have done that, you need to try to make a connection. If the connection can't be done, you need to tap here on your device, paired device of course. This should be in the saved devices list. You need to tap your device, forget it, and try to pair to this device back again. Just a simple forget, repair should be working fine for you. If it doesn't, you need to now hold the power volume up, click actually, move this wire to quickly restart, and restart your phone. The same thing you need to do with your device, Bluetooth device. If these are headphones, it's easy. These are speakers, this is easy. Just restart your device. While your devices are restarting, you can try to get another device and try to pair this phone with another device to check if the Bluetooth connection works. If all Bluetooth doesn't work, you need to go to the settings, but let me talk about this in a moment. If your device doesn't work, you know what to do. I mean, if the connection can be done, it means that the Bluetooth device is the problems with this device, and you need to contact device support for this device. Now let's move back to our phone. Open settings, scroll all the way down to the system and update. Here, now you need to tap backup and reset phone. Tap not reset all settings, reset networking and Bluetooth settings. Pattern on fingerprint. Now you need to make your fingerprint over here or pattern. Once you have done that, you will lose all the Wi-Fi networks, all the Bluetooth connections, etc. But you probably will able to connect to your device. And that's it. How it helps you, and goodbye.